Hey guys, Mel here. I would have made a face-to-face video, but the thing is, I look a mess right now. I'm getting ready for Hannah's birthday party, which the video will be coming your way. I would say Wednesday. So look forward. Her party is this Saturday. So I look a mess because I am running all over the place. But I am not a licensed professional in any way. This is my first tutorial, and I just want to share my process with you. So in no way am I a licensed professional, or have I been trained professionally to do this. Love you guys. Hope you love this video. Let's get into it.
I believe this is 22, 20, 18, and then a 16 closure. So I have 3 bundles and a closure. So I've had this hair 2 years now, and it still looks good. So now I'm about to make it into a wig.
Hi guys, you see Mel's doing my hair.
Trying to process. Always wear gloves, you'll burn yourself.
Yep. She's bleaching my hair. She's gonna do her hair next. But yeah, she's
this unit. I'm gonna color it next. Okay guys, so I have completed my own unit. So what I'm doing now is just going through doing an ombre bleaching, because this is the color I wanted, like a blonde. I want it lighter than this, so I'm gonna let it process a little longer. So this is the unit that I made with the closure, with the bleach knots. Closure was already bleached. Now that the bundles are old, I just wanted to make a unit. So yeah, have a gala to attend. And I wanted to sew in, but didn't want to go through that process, so I just decided to make myself a unit.